Hey y'all, welcome to T-Ham 141 Homestead. I'm Tracy. If you haven't been here before, I am all about homesteading and off-grid lifestyle. Today I'm going to be working in the garden. I could plant potatoes and onions and such like that, but I have a problem in my Back to Eden garden. It has very little to do with the Back to Eden method, but let me show you. Now this whole section of the garden, last fall, I went ahead and I dug up because strawberries had taken over all of this space here. And I dug up all the strawberries with the tractor, brought in some new topsoil manure mix, and then brought in some wood chips. Let's see here if I can show you. This is all wood chips. Ah, there's a worm already. Holy cow. That's awesome. And then here's the dirt. It's awful wet right now. It's kind of a sandy dirt. And then underneath that, you have a clay that is really, really hard. The reason being is because my septic tank, the tank that does not leak, is right in here somewhere. I think it's right about here. 1,000-gallon septic tank, and then it is piped through here out to my leach field that goes either way there. And when we did that, we dug up a whole lot of clay and it brought it to the surface. We're going to pull everything out of here. We're going to rake it. This is where I have my tomatoes. We're going to rake it. We're going to weed it. See, you can see this bed here. And then there's a spot, and then there's a bed here. This is my comfrey. Woo, doggy, is that beautiful or what? I need to start harvesting some from that. Comfrey is very medicinal. But, so we're gonna get this all raked off, all the wood chips off. You do not bury wood chips under dirt. You can put more wood chips right on top, but you cannot bury wood chips under dirt. It will sap the nitrogen from your soil quickly. Ooh-ah! All right, here's the manure and the dirt. I'm leaving the rocks in. What are rocks? They're minerals. They dissolve over time, a lot of time, but they still dissolve over time. Now it's time to see if I can get to my wood chip. there's one 6-foot bed, 6 foot by 12 foot, 13 foot bed ready to plant. Now it's just rinse, lather, and repeat, baby. Hey, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. And guys, check out, I got a merch shelf now. Check it out. I think you're gonna like some of what you see. Hey y'all, YouTube's got a video they think you're gonna like right down here, and I've got a playlist I know you're gonna love right up here. Go ahead and check them out. I know you're gonna like them.